Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. It looks like it's welcome Satchel September early and see you next year accessory August early as well. Dooney.com and ilovedooney.com have new colors. Light blue is very pretty. There's also this bone color as well as pink. This very beautiful cobalt blue. This color is brick. This color is bone again. There's also a pebble grain shopper. The picture's on Dooney.com, but on I Love Dooney, there's no picture. But the price is better. A large pebble grain satchel in Bordeaux and two other colors not shown. And then, in addition to the large satchel, there's also a smaller one pictured here. New colors in the satchel. It doesn't say what type of leather, but this purple, it's definitely popping. Brown and brown tomorrow, as well as this beautiful tan. It also comes in black as well. And this beautiful purple. I can't get enough of it, y'all. This is the brick again. And the cobalt blue. So throughout the video, you'll see also different angles of the bags as well. Dooney.com has the Sorrento satchels. And the satchels on I Love Dooney appear to be pebble grain. But again, it just says satchel. For the purple and the tan satchels, it literally just says satchel. And it also does not give any detailed descriptions of the dimensions either. But this pebble grain short shopper, that's very pretty as well. Again, the picture of that short shopper, the picture's on Dooney.com, but the better price is on ilovedooney.com without the picture. And as you see, it says satchel. It does not say pebble grain. It does not say Sorrento. It just says satchel on the I Love Dooney site. I hope you all check it out and grab something. I actually took a screenshot of the brown Sorrento from the Dooney.com, and initially it said pre-order, and it looks like while I was looking at it, it switched over to sold out. The black is still available for pre-order as well. So the satchels on Dooney.com are pre-order. I Love Dooney, you can order them right away. But the good thing is on the Dooney.com, the pre-orders, it looks like it says it'll ship as early as September 4th, 2024. So that will be here before you know it. And you can receive your satchel before you know it as well. I was so excited to see this purple, y'all. The brown tomorrow looks smoother than the actual brown, but it does list it as two different colors. They do look pretty similar though, but the textures look slightly different. Again, it doesn't say what type of leather, it just says satchel. So, I guess it's a surprise. You'll find out when you receive it. This is exciting, y'all. What a way to bring in Satchel September. I'm glad I took a look to see what was available and actually compare both sites as well, because there are definitely colors and silhouettes on the Dooney.com that are not on the ilovedooney.com. That beautiful cobalt blue. And this is just the bag itself on the mannequin to show you how it hangs and give you an idea of the size of it, since they all do not list the actual dimensions. The only bag that I saw with the dimensions was the black on the Dooney.com that had the actual gold Dooney and Bourke logo plate on the front. I believe that may be an older Sorrento satchel. I'm not sure, but that's where I found dimensions for the satchel itself. But the other satchels, they don't have the dimensions listed, so it's kind of a guesstimation based off of the pictures. The short handle shopper is very pretty. And I believe that shopper also comes in the white edge, but this appears to be more of a solid colors instead of the white edge. And this pebble grain large satchel, again, it comes in a smaller size as well. Dimensions are not listed, but as you see, that one does not say large. And this tan is so pretty. It looks like the sand color, but a little bit richer. And this purple, just speechless. And the pink, y'all, that's Bordeaux. And be sure to click on the little, or tap on the little spaces next to the color. There's actually no color there, and it looks like it's blank, but it's an actual color. It could be slate, and this is on the ilovedooney.com site. It could be slate. It could be midnight blue as well, depending on if you're looking at the large satchel or the satchel itself or the Sorrento satchel. And that's the large satchel and regular satchel in the pebble green. There's blank pictures next to them that do not have a color. So it's like a scavenger hunt for your favorite color and the best price as well. So I hope you all are able to grab something before they sell out and get your Satchel September started early. I look forward to seeing what you all are able to get and share as well. And as always, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.